And stars are born. They possess a gift or two. One of them is this. They have the power to make a wish come true.
We're gonna have to stand.
Pretty, huh? I'll bet a lot of you folks don't believe that. About a wish coming true, do ya? Well, I didn't either. Of course, I'm just a cricket. But let me tell you what made me change my mind. You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen, and it all starts with a wish.
Nicole, you are right.
I could go to the ball. I'm wishing someday my prince will come.
No request is too extreme.
I wish I could be part of that world.
I wish we'd never have to grow up. Off to Neverland!
You wish upon a star as dreamers do.
Longevity. Someday I wish I could be a real boy.
Gene, I wish for your freedom. You know, any wish is possible. All it takes is a little courage to set it free. Wish is a powerful thing, especially when it comes from